Howdy players, well Pawpaw here, fixing to make a cake from scratch for my anniversary, me and my wife Vicky. She's been putting up with me 37 years now. So let's get busy, y'all. First thing I got to do is put the oven on 350. That's easy enough. Grease to pie pan. There it is. Shortening, half cup of shortening. Mammy little baby loves shortening. Mammy little baby loves shortening bread. Sugar. 1.5 cups of sugar. Comical, ain't it? Where did I get the flour in there? Yeah. Yeah, that looks pretty good there. Look at that thing go. When I get an egg in there, it'll probably, hopefully, do a little better. There's one egg. Look at me go. Let's see. That's the second egg. Yeah, it's getting better all the time. Shoot, that's looking like a cake. Well, let's put in a little bit of the flour like old Laura Reese does. She cooks cakes way better than I do. Y'all need to check her out on YouTube. It's Laura Reese's Kitchen. If I can remember to do it, I'll put it in the prescription below. I'm gonna add a little milk in there now. I want it to be loose, so to soak up that flour and it won't go flying everywhere. Add a little more flour. Yeah. Yeah, old Laurie, she good. Tess cooks. Check out Tess cooks. She's pretty good too. And this here cap, it holds 1 teaspoon of vanilla. If you don't believe me, measure. And I got real vanilla here, not none of the fake shit. Only the best is that's about $5, $6 a bottle. Getting outrageous. Look at that. I want to add in a little more flour. A little more milk. Loosey, get it loosey goosey. See, I'm gonna add a little bit of this chocolate in here. Or better Hershey's chocolate in the cake. Just for shits and giggles. Wowee. I'm gonna taste that. Man, that's gonna be good. Let's get equal amounts of batter in each pan. Look at that. Look at that. Man, that looks nice. In there about midway. Lay the plate on him. Yeah, buds. Check that out. He's gorgeous. Put that up on there like that. Yeah, man. Now we got to put some ice. I already put the ice. I put 4 cups of sugar, a teaspoon and a half of vanilla, 2/3 of a cup of butter, softened, and a few drops of milk. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Let's put that much on there. Let's go ahead and do what we do. Go ahead and put that on there. Look at that. Like a pro, man. Getting more fabulous all at the minute. Gob it on there. Just gob it. That's right. Look at that. Gob shit out of it. This is going to be a one-of-a-kind cake with a one-of-a-kind ice. Made from a one-of-a-kind feller.